In this video, we'll go over Serum. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Serum to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Serum? Serum is a decentralized exchange and ecosystem that brings unprecedented speed and low transaction costs to decentralized finance. Serum is the only high-performant DEX designed around a fully on-chain central limit order book and matching engine. Ecosystem partners can compose with Serum's on-chain order book to share liquidity and power their trading features for institutional and retail users. In light of the popularity of DeFi and the growth of DEXs on Ethereum, users and developers are limited by high gas costs and slow transactions. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Serum DEX's on-chain central limit order book and matching engine provides liquidity and price time priority matching to traders and composing projects. Users benefit from this exchange model through the ability to choose the price, size, and direction of their trades. Composing projects benefit from Serum's existing architecture, bootstrapped liquidity, and matching service. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $1.80 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.